I talked my husband into finally being in front of the camera. This is my husband, Ray. You hear his voice, you see his hands all the time, and today he was nice enough to join me in front. We are going to make a fun Valentine's Day drink. So let's get started. Okay guys, we are going to make homemade Italian cream sodas. I've started out with 2 glasses and ice, and we are going to add club soda. I found this recipe online and I'll be sure to post the link below. Y'all, look at my hands. My nail lady, she has COVID and she's finally back on Tuesday. I'm so excited, my nails are a wreck, so I apologize. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some club soda. We've never made these before, so we may adjust a little bit as we go. All right, and then the next thing that we're going to do, I actually had to order this syrup online. My Walmart, Kroger, Sam's Club, they all have the coffee versions of these syrups, but they didn't have the strawberry flavoring. I got a 3-pack of strawberry, raspberry, and peach. So we decided that we were gonna try the strawberry out. So you'll add your scoops of however many strawberry squirts that you want based on your own color. I'm gonna bring this up a little closer just so you can kind of see of what we're going for here. Next step, we are adding heavy whipping cream. The next step are adding whipped cream on top. And lastly, are adding a cherry. I found these super cute little straws too. So I ordered those. I'm gonna give you an up close look. This is what it looks like before we stir it up. You see your layer of strawberry and club soda, your cream. So we are gonna give these a try together. Okay guys, we are gonna give these a try. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Kind of looks like a milkshake, don't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going for it.
Nice.
Ready? Oh man.
Good.
These are so good, guys. Oh man. You saw how fast that came to...
I like that.
You're such a hillbilly. Okay. Oh man. These are so good. I highly recommend them. All right, guys.
Better hurry, I'm about out.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. We definitely appreciate you following along and all of your support. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, folks. What do you hit me for?
Why do you look like a giant?
Because you're short.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Is that better?
Yeah.